Welcome students. Welcome to Maths Me Education online classes. Today our topic data handling statistics part 3. Part 3. So in this topic we are going to learn mean, median, mode. This is ungrouped data. So in grouped data we have another big formula. Now briefly this is for 7th and 8th standard students only. Especially most of the competitive exams also they are asking these questions only. So first mean, that is the average. What is means? Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities, or sum of the observations by number of the observations. Okay. For example, you have to find the mean of 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to add. So find the average or mean. Okay, that is equal to mean is equal to 2, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. How many numbers you have? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. Observe. So 5 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 5 plus 20. 20 by 5, that is equal to 4. Means average is 4. So here one property there. These average, how to find any average or any mean depend upon all numbers. Depend upon all numbers. That is the mean. Mean means sum of the quantities by number of the quantities, or sum of the observations by number of the observations. This is mean. So in problem we are doing mean. Next median. Next median means is a middle term. It is a middle term. Middle term. Not take any numbers. It is given some numbers. 5, 4, 6, 10, 11, 14 is given some numbers. So take some numbers. Have to write these numbers in ascending or descending as you wish. Median means middle term. Have to write ascending or descending size numbers. So I am writing ascending. 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 14 and 17. This is ascending order. So have to call it, take only middle term. This is the average. So this is the median. Median means middle term. So if here are odd numbers, total numbers is odd, then easily can get median. If you have another one number, so in this I have to same data. How to remove 70? Then now I have to arrange. So what is 4, 5, 6, 10, 11 and 14. So cancel both sides, each by one. We are getting 2 terms. So in this which is median? In this which is median? Simply add 6 plus 10 by 2. That is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8 is the median. 8 is the median. So whenever the given numbers is odd or even. So if odd means directly we are getting middle term is the median. So if you getting even numbers, then I have to find the average of middle two terms. This is median. This is median. So this median is not depend upon total terms. So if you are taking a 0 also, you have to take 0. The median is not changing. But in average or mean, automatically it will change the mean or average. Okay? Right. This is median. Median means middle term. How to write ascending or descending, then the middle term is called median. Okay? Next, mode. What is mode? Mode means most term occurring. Most term occurring. For example, I have to take one data. 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, again 5, 0, 1. So I'm taking something. So mode means most term. So here 5 getting 3 term, 3 times. 5, 3 times. Okay? 3 how many times? 2 times. 4 is 1 time, 0 is 1 time, 1 is also 1 time. So here 5 is the mode. 5 is the mode. Mode means most term. So in the given data, which number is getting most terms of frequency is more. That is called mode. So some data have 2 or 3 modes. Not only single. Mode we have to getting 2 or 3 or 4 infinite. So depends upon T or 3. But some data have no mode. Some data have no mode. So mode is the most term occurring number. Most term occurring. So some data have 2 or 3 or more modes. But some data have no modes. Okay? This is the brief introduction of mean, median, mode. Next we are going for the problems on mean, median and mode. Okay? Right. Next, can you see? Problems on mean. Earning of a vegetable vendor. Earning of a vegetable vendor in a week, weekdays. You have 7 days. So one day 200, another 150. So the vendor business is not formed. So regularly up and down is there. So one day he sold 200 rupees, another day 150, 180, 300, 160, 170 and 170. Find his average earning per day. Average or mean or arithmetic mean all are same. Where is the ungrouped data only. Okay? Observe. What is the mean or average? Average is equal to sum of the quantities, sum of the observations. Both are same. Sum of the observations by number of the observations. Number of observations. Sum of the observations by number of the observations. Sum of the numbers by number of the number. Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Okay? So every writer different author using different words. The concept is one. So we are what is here? First 200 I am writing. That is equal to 200 plus 150 plus again 180 plus 300 plus 160 plus 170 plus 170. By total how many numbers we have? 7. Observe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So don't you have to add with everything. 1330 by 7. Okay? 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 63. 7 nines are 63. That is equal to 0. Therefore, average earning of average earning is rupees 190. The vegetable vendor average earning per day per eating rupees 190. So based on this, have to plan anything. Okay? Right. Copies. Next, find the average of first 10 natural numbers. Average of mean. So what is the first 10 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. So average is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 10 by 10. So up to 10 you are getting 55. 55 by 10, that is equal to 5.5. Okay. Up to 10 you can easily find. Up to 100. So instead of 10, hard to write 100. How can you find? It is not possible to count up to 100. So there is a one principle formula. What is the formula? Sum of first n natural numbers. First n. Instead of you have to write 5, 10, 20, 30, whatever it may be. So first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. First n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Instead of n, you have to write how many numbers. Here observe. Instead of writing 10. First 10 I am asking. First he asking first 10. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 5 ones of 5. That is equal to 5 into 10 plus 1, 11. That is equal to 55. So we got 55. By 10, we have to do. So sum of the first n natural numbers. This is the important principle for all your competitive exams. N into n plus 1 by 2. Okay? Sum of the first n natural numbers. So if we ask instead of 10, find the average. Find the average of first 100. First 100 natural numbers. How we have to solve? Simple. I am principle. N into n plus 1. 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. So 250. That is equal to 50 into 105. That is equal to 5050. Sum of the first 100 natural numbers is 50. If we want to find average means the sum by total numbers. What is the sum of the observations by number of the observations? So that is equal to 5050 by 100. So after that equal to 50.505. This is a easy method. Simply up to the 6th class or 7th standard you are using. But whenever you are studying intermediate degree, you have to complete any IAS or IPS at the time, you are using this principle only. He is not asking 10, 50. At the right having 100 or 200. You are using this principle only. Okay? Right. Got it. Next, again one problem on mean or average. So observe here. So is given another one table. So the find the mean weight of 40 bytes of the following data. So I have worked on community. On that community is pick up 40 bytes. On that 40 bytes, the 20 weight is 26 number have 27 weights. 6 and 2 members have 28 weight. Their weight is 28 kgs. And 10 members weight is 29. 8 members weight is 30. 4 members weight is 31. So what we have to do? We have to find average of weight. So if 6 members weight is 27, we can easily find. 27 by 6 we can find. But here it is a difference. How we have to find? How we are find? Observe. We have a principle. What is the principle here? This is, if this is a frequency, right? Okay? These are x or y. So first you have to multiple these two. Have to multiple these two. Okay? Then after have to substitute in that table. Have to substitute in that table. Okay? Right. So I'll take another one. And extend. Observe here. So f of 5 into xi. I multiple these both. Then 27 into 6. 27 6. That is equal to 162. Okay. Next 28 236. So 336. I multiple with 29 times 290. Third 8 30 240. That is equal to 124. I have multiple both. F of and XL have multiple both. Then this frequency is 40. If you add this total, you are getting 1332. Simple. Now we can find average. So in this equation, the difference, the concept is same. Sum of the observations by number of the observations. But the observations is very typical. At that time we are using this formula. F1, X1. This is a table data. This is called table data. Previous is given only group, but is given different data. At that time we are using this. This is the sum of f of I xi by sum of fi. This is a symbol of summation. Symbol of summation. That means add all. Okay, mathematical way is some symbols. That is the summation symbol. Okay, now apply. What is the mean? Mean means total of this. That is sum of phi xi by sum of f of phi. F of phi means this frequency. He is asking 40 bias rate. That's right. What he asking, that is the frequency. That is a 40. So he is given weight. So 27 into 6, 160, 12 into 280, 336. Total, I am getting 1332. These are 40 members. So sum of f of I is equal to 1332 by 40. Same average concept. We are getting 28.8 kgs. So is given weight in kgs. Is given weight in kgs. So the average weight of 40 boys is equal to 28.8 kgs. So if given singularly, we can easily find. But is given different. At that time, we are using this data. Because 6 members have same weight, 12 members have same weight, 10 members have same weight, 8 members have same. At that time, compared to that, this is an easy data. Otherwise, we have to take 40 members, add, and then you have divided with 5. It is a different. This is another one method in me. Okay? Right. Copy it. Next, problems on median. These are very easy. So find the median of the following data. So write the ascending or descending chain figures. Solutions. I am writing ascending. So 14, next 15, next 17, 20, 48, 48, 49, 110. So we are taking middle numbers. That's why both sides have to answer. Edges only. These two numbers comes. So then we have to find average of this both. That is equal to median. If you get single number, that is only answer. If single or double number only you got, not more than. Therefore, 20 plus 28 by 2. That is equal to 48 by 2. 24 is the median. This is very easy. Okay? Right. Next. Problems on mode. Problems on mode. So find the mode of the given data. First one. So observe. Mode means most time occurring. So you have a concept. One data have only one mode. Is not mandatory. So one data have one mode or two or three or more than or nothing also. Some data have no mode. Okay? Right. Observe here. In this you have to observe 1, 5, 2, 3. So 5 is its mode. Because 5 only comes 4 times. That is the mode. Mode means most time occurring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining are check. 6 have only 2 times. 3 have no. 4 have only 2 times. 9 have only 2 times. Therefore 5 is the mode. Observe again this in these situations. So 25, 40, 18. So in this, no term is repeating. No term is repeating. Therefore, this data have no more. No more. Okay? This data have no more. Okay? Right. Okay? Next, again on problem on more. So it's given some table. Following the marks obtained by 40 students in a unit test, find the mode of the data. Observe, is given one data on that. So 0 marks getting 2 members, 1 mark in 1 members only, 2 marks getting 3 members. So up to 6 marks 50 members, 7, 2 members, 8 also 2 members. We have to find the mode of the test data. Mode means most term occurring. Most term occurring. So in this, which students got 15 students got 6 marks. So in this, 6 is the mode. Mode is 6. Mode is 6. So compared to mean, median and mode is very easy. Okay? Thank you students. Thank you for watching my